everyone and welcome back to Sh1t Tech. Today we'll be reviewing some heated insoles. So I ordered those insoles for $8.49 and I received them actually in only 4 days, which was pretty fast. I ordered the biggest size because I wear a size US 14. They sent 44, that's about like size 12 US. I don't blame them for that.
Don't blame them.
I'm gonna still try them out and see if they warm up. So without further ado, let's open this package. They were kind enough to provide us with the product manual. The battery box is equipped with 2 electric insoles. Okay. Number 5 battery box and 2 foot main guide. When using the foot main, what the hell is that? You can cut them out for different sizes. So there's basically 2 ways, from what I understand from this paper, to connect those bad boys. Way number 1 would be to plug them into your computer.
That takes a special type of person, and there's maybe not too many who would do that.
Way number 2, which is a lot more convenient, is put in 3 AA batteries in this little box and turn them on. This material seems pretty comfortable. I know you wear socks in your shoes or boots, so what's kind of the goal of having this? Now let's put in some batteries. Right off the bat, what I see is that those caps are gonna fall off easily. Now those have been plugged in for about 2 minutes in heating. I don't feel the extreme heat, however I do feel some sort of heat here. So let's go outside to test them out. I think it's the best way to do it. So guys, it's actually -2 right now. The feet are covered in snow. We had a pretty decent snowstorm yesterday and it covered up all the streets pretty nicely. So far I think it's doing a very decent job. My feet aren't cold at all, and you can see I've been walking in snow for like a few minutes here. I actually feel like it's warming up. I think I'm gonna leave now because I look like an absolute complete weirdo. Alright guys, so I just came back from outside. I still have the insoles in my feet and they are actually quite warm, surprisingly. So here they are out of my shoes. They definitely do feel warm. If you're a person that likes to have some warmer feet than usual in the wintertime, I would recommend those because they would help you in some situations. For example, if you go out skiing or hiking, whatnot, and you're just wearing some socks.
Stop doing that!
These are going to give you that extra touch that you may need during the day. I understand that the batteries could be expensive if you use like single-use batteries, but nothing stops you from buying rechargeable batteries. And other than that, they're a great little investment for the wintertime, at least in Canada. I think that because those insoles are fairly cheap, I'll compare them to whatever is available on the market online on the screen here. But I think they're way cheaper than anything else you could buy at retail. So because of that, I'm going to place them in the Hall of Fame. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving me a like. And I will see you next time. Take care.